In the name of the Creator, most gracious, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, good day and Mulweni. Let me introduce you to the Pathway to Women and Manhood program, its background and the reasons for its inception. Its primary aim is to act as a moral compass and guide for both the male and female as they journey from girl and boyhood to woman and manhood. As concerned mothers of this nation, we found that most young people are facing the challenges of being influenced by a highly sexualized society. Teenagers are being bombarded from all directions to live a life of pleasure and freedom, resulting in sometimes irreversible consequences. And daily we witness the results of this often irresponsible behavior, such as drug addiction, premarital sex, abortions, and lack of self-respect, amongst others. Research has shown that children who have had an early understanding of their bodies and inherent value stand a better chance to withstand the influences of the sex revolution. The Islamic Unity Convention Women's Forum realized the need for such a program in a changing South Africa, and for that matter, global society, whose education is not ethics-based. As a God-fearing community of this country, it is therefore that the Women's Forum pioneered this initiative, as we have an obligation to preserve the pure nature of every child.
Dear sons and daughters, Pathways to Woman and Manhood is a program that is especially designed for all the budding flowers of our nation, our respected sons and daughters. As you say goodbye and thanks to girl and boyhood, allow us to hold your hand and show you that there is a sense of pride and honor in being a woman and a man. Allow us to celebrate and welcome you into the dawn of womanhood and manhood. Let us hand you the keys that will unlock the world of feminine and masculine intelligence and a new mode of healing through understanding how the body functions, its languages and its messages. The aim is to embrace the wisdom of our bodies, deepen our understanding and nurture trust.
It is our sincere belief that if young girls and boys are equipped with the inherent knowledge of themselves as being a unique, respected and valued creation of the Creator, it will empower them to make informed, moral and ethical choices that would lead them to live their true purpose as they journey into women and manhood. The program aims to equip young girls and boys with the necessary tools to assist them in making responsible, moral and ethical choices as they journey into adulthood. The Pathway into Women and Manhood program is twofold and very age appropriate. Firstly, the program aims to prepare young girls between the ages of 9 to 13 years as they step into the age of puberty. And secondly, for those 14 years and above, a more advanced course is designed for the beginning woman and man to preserve themselves as they journey through life. Through this program, we trust the often confused youth will be empowered with a true understanding of their purpose and place in life. And once this is truly mastered, the young male and female will have a lifelong, conscious, personalized and direct hotline to the Creator of all life.